Today, let's explore the phrase hit the books
Hit the books!
and understand how to use it in different situations. When you have an important test coming up, hit the books to study hard and get ready. Example: I have a math exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. If you want to improve your English, it's time to hit the books and focus on grammar and vocabulary. Example: She hits the books every evening to work on her English. When you have big career goals, you have to hit the books and stay dedicated. Example: He hit the books for months to prepare for his entrance exam. If you've missed classes or fallen behind, you need to hit the books to catch up. Example: I missed school last week, so now I have to hit the books to cover everything. By using hit the books in your daily conversations, you can talk about studying or working hard in an interesting way. Keep practicing and this phrase will soon feel natural to you.